Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to get some videos out. My phone does not have enough storage, but anyway, I'm working with Ronnie hair today. They sent me a curly wig. It's 20-inch called Diamond, and it's the fake scalp, so you don't have to cornrow it or anything because it has the fake scalp. So anyway, I've already braided Kobe's hair down, and I'm just going in now with a beige stocking cap, and I'm just gonna pull it on till I get it to where I want it to be. Going with some Got To Be freeze spray. I don't know why that can looks different with the black sprayer. Maybe it was just trying that one out or something. I don't know, but I haven't seen it anymore, and I recorded this video some time ago. So, but anyway, I'm just spraying it along the front of her hairline, like right in front of her hairline, so you can get the scalp to lay down. And also I spray it around the back to hold the cap down. Also let it dry. You can air dry it or blow dry it. And then I'm just cutting the excess cap off. You can do this with scissors, a razor blade. I definitely would do it with like some sharp scissors so you can get the excess off easily. Excuse my dry elbow. But I'm just getting the excess cap off of there, the part that I don't need. Cutting it like along her hairline, like right in front of her hairline. Y'all here I'm just going in with some alcohol pad. I'm just cleaning off her forehead and along the ears and stuff so that the glue won't have a problem sticking. You can also just use regular alcohol. And then I'm going in with the concealer, and I think that's Ruby Kisses. I couldn't think of the name. Ruby Kisses. And I think it's just a palette that have like different shades, darker and lighter. And I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and just adding the concealer to her cap. And you don't have to get it exactly the same color, but get it close as you can. Then here's some Ghost Bun, and then like one of those little craft popsicle sticks that you can get like 100 of them for like $1 at the dollar store. And then I'm just going in and I'm putting my first layer of glue down, and I'm just going to spread it out as evenly and thin as I can. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to put 3 layers of glue on there. So put one layer on, allow that layer to dry a little bit, not completely. It'll start turning clear, and then you can go in with your second layer, and you just want to kind of spread it as thin as you can. And then here is the inside of the wig, y'all. It had combs in it, and that's just the invisible scalp. It looks really good. It's called fake scalp, I mean. And you can see how it looks up against my hand. It looks really natural. And then I went ahead and pre-cut the lace, so that's why you don't see the front of the lace anymore. I pre-cut it because it's easier for me to lay the lace down if it's pre-cut. I don't like to have all that extra lace left over. Sometimes you end up having that when you leave the lace on and cut it last. So this is the way I do it. I'm just taking the back of my comb and like pressing it down to get all the areas laid down. Now this is not going to be the last step with the gluing, so you just want to get it onto the glue as much as you can. You're going to have some flaps left that's not glued down. You're going to go back later and I'll show you how to do that. Here I'm cutting the ear tabs, I guess you want to call them, the ear tabs off. I'm just going to separate it and then separate the part I don't want. And then I'm going to just take the scissors and just cut it off. And you really want to cut that perfectly, almost, so that the client can be comfortable in the wig. Like that part is not like eating away or bothering them with the ear or whatever. You want their ear to be comfortable, so you want to cut it pretty perfect. And then I just put a little bit of the Ghost Bun on the back of my hand. I'm using the end of the rat tail comb, and I'm just kind of like filling in those areas that didn't get glue on them. So you just want to pull the lace back gently, and then just take the end of that rat tail comb with some Ghost Bun or whatever glue you use, and just kind of outline where the hair is gonna lay, and then fill in the space with the glue. And then once it dries a little, you can just go back with the back of the comb and just press it down to make sure that it is secure. And I'm gonna do that on both sides, but it'll look something like that. And then here, once you've finished making sure everything is tacked down, you just want to go ahead and separate out your baby hair. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just taking the end of the rat tail comb and I'm just separating the baby hair. You can make them bigger or smaller. With this wig, she really didn't even have to have any baby hair, but of course it's curly hair, so it wouldn't even make sense to not have baby hair. So I'm just separating them out, and you want to kind of have them equally parted out on both sides. And I've already parted the other side out, and you just want to separate it like that. Make sure you got it exactly how you want it to be. And then I usually spray it down again just to make sure everything is holding, and then I go in and tie it down. Okay, so after we let it dry a little bit, that's how it looks. And I'm just going in. I took the wrap off, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of the She's Balm wax stick. This is my favorite wax stick to use. I really don't like the Cara one at all, but the She's Balm is really good. And then I just go in and I just apply it all around the edges and down the middle, just to make sure we get a little sweet look when we press it out. And also I spray a little bit more of the Got To Be Free spray. I'm going in with my pressing comb, and I'm just going to press out the edges behind the baby hair and also the middle part to make sure everything is laying flat, once we get through with the baby hair. And also I ran it through the baby hairs also, so you can do that too if you want to, but you can skip that step also. It's not necessary. You know what I mean? It's not mandatory that you do that, but. And then I'm just going over the middle part to make sure it's laying flat. And I like these fake scalp wigs, especially when they're good quality like that, because it looks like it's her scalp. We didn't have to bleach any knots. We didn't have to do nothing. We just put the wig on. You don't even really have to put any makeup on her, but that's just, by habit. So anyway, that's how it looks. Once I pressed it out, it looks like it's coming out her scalp. Looks really, really cute. Yeah, we just tripping. So then here I'm gonna go in and just start to cutting the baby hairs down to the length that I want. Like I said before, you don't have to have baby hair, but since it's curly hair, we figured, it needed baby hair. And also a sideburn, so I'm gonna cut that also. And you can cut your baby hairs as short or as long as you want. I noticed that now people are wearing even bigger baby hairs with curls in them and all that stuff now. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. We just didn't do that. Also, this video is like 6-7 months old. I'm just now getting it now because I had a lot going on, and I'm just coming back from my surgery also. So I'm trying to get y'all some content out. But yeah, I just got all the baby hairs cut down. I'm just gonna use this Fantasia heat protector gel. I don't really know that it's doing any heat protecting. I just know it's gel. And also I put a little bit of the Nairobi foam wrap inside the little cap with the gel, and I mix it up because I want her baby hairs to be like controlled kind of soft but not soft. So I just added a little bit of the foam wrap into the gel. And I'm just starting with the middle little baby hair first. You can do it whatever you feel comfortable with. And I'm just kind of swooping it around. And then I do the first baby hair. And just swoop them however you want to do. You can put those little pin curls in them if you want to, or whatever. See how cute that is? That's super cute. And then I'm just gonna go in and do her sideburn. And I'm just kind of curving it around, making it a little curved, little curved sideburn. And that's how that side looks, and that's how both sides look with the baby hair. Super, super cute. I'm gonna go back in and tie it up again. Sometimes doing wig installs for me, I use about 4 wraps, or in this case, I'm using my own Hairstyles by Shaniqua satin wrap. But anyway, y'all, this hair was brought to us by Ronnie hair. It's a fake scalp 20-inch diamond curly wig. And I hope you like it. If you did, please leave a heart in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also follow me on all of my social media. Thank you guys so much for watching.